Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Ioni. I am from Graphic Tutorials division, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create multiple web banners in Adobe Illustrator. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more graphic design tutorials. Now let's begin and open the program. Create a new document and go to File, New. I will start with this 300 and 600 pixels. You can type here and create. And now in the left side you can see this artboard tool, and you can in the properties panel in the right side, if you don't have, click on window and check this properties panel. So we can just rename this artboard and click on this artboard options, and now 300 and 600 pixels. And in the properties panel I want to rename to. We will create three sizes of these banners, so each banner on each layers. Now I want to add images in program and go to File and Place. I want to add the background first, and if you want these images, just leave a comment and I will send it to you. Okay, just drag and drop the image in program. Now I want to just click on embed, and you can see this is our artboard, our banners, and the image is bigger than our banner. So I want to crop this image and click on this image, and in the right side on the properties, click on mask, and you can see in the right side on layers, go to window and check this layers panel. It creates a clipping group, and it's composed by a clipping shape and an image, and I want to resize this shape. Just click and drag. You can see this is the margins of the banners. So because I want to see the actual size of these banners, and the image is still here. You can see this blue shape is the image, and you can just place with the image in banners. Okay, now I want to just lock this background, and now I want to add more images in program, File and Place. You can just drag and drop the image in program and go to Place. You can see you have three images. This is the cocktail. Okay, now I want to embed each image. So I want to position this in this image. So this is the cocktail. I want to just be in the center. This image I want to be below on this cocktail, and place shift to resize this and just lock. Click on this icon to lock these images. So this will be below, and this orange slices I want to be above of this cocktail. Now further I want to create a title. So in the left side on this type tool, just I want to type enjoy hour. So I want to just resize, press shift to make this proportionally, and I want to change this font in let's change in Lato. Okay, and place a line horizontally in the properties panel. Okay, now I want to duplicate and press Alt or Option to duplicate this row. If you just zoom in or zoom out, press Alt and scroll, and now click on this type tool and press Ctrl or Command A to select all text, and I want to type cocktail. Okay, I want to increase the size a little, and the cocktail I want to pick a color from this image. So click on this text, select eye on the eyedropper tool, and I want to just pick a color. Okay, and click on the text. I want to make like a drop shadow. We can make a drop shadow and click on this text, go to this FX and styles, and click on drop shadow. I don't want to add that. I want to just click on this text, go to edit and copy, edit and paste in back, and you can see in this layers panel we have duplicate this cocktail, and click on this first and change the color in black. And now with this first text selected, I want to just resize a little, and I want to just decrease the opacity about 50%. Okay, now I want to just select all and Ctrl G to make a group and just align them. Okay, now go further, and I want to just add a button. So click and drag to create a button, a shape, and I want to just with this shape selected, click on eyedropper tool, and I want to just add a color from this text or from this image if you want. click on this icon, and in this properties panel click on this dots, more options, and I want to just make a rounded corner. So let's stay on 5 pixels. Okay, now I want to just resize this, and type tool, click on the type tool, and I want to type see offer, so change the color in white. I don't want bold, I want just regular, so click, and I want to add, and I want to just resize this text. Select both, and I want to just align them, and now click on Ctrl G to group them. You can see this is the button, and this is the text. Okay, now I want to just decrease a little. Press Shift and Alt or options to decrease a little this image. Okay, now I want to add one more thing. Type tool, just click and drag. I want to, let's say this there are the ingredients for this cocktail. Click on white and click on this type tool and go to type and fill with placeholder text. Okay, now this is the first banner, 300 with 600 pixels. Now I want to create another size of this banner. So in the left side I want to just click on this icon, so you can just change from this properties panel this option. So 300 and 250 I want to make another size. Okay, and click on this artboard option to 300 and 250 pixels. Okay, now I want to just create another layer, and because I want every banners to be on separate layers, you can make all the banners on one layer. Now I want to just move these elements in the right side, so I want to just click first the clipping group. You can move, just press Alt or options, so you can see move this in the right side to another size of this banner, and you can see this is in this part, and I want to just drag it in this part. You can see this is the red color and this is the blue. Each layers have separate colors. So now I want to resize of this image from this banner, so click on this shape and I want to resize, and now I want to resize this image, so just press Shift, okay, and just resize a little. Okay, now I want to lock this this background, and I want to just move forward with this and group them to be more easy. So the another way to duplicate from one artboard to another artboard, it's click on this and select and press Alt or options, and just you can see this plus, just dragging in another layer. So clicking here, but you can see is still in the same place, but now we can just click and drag to move them to our artboard. Now press Shift, make it smaller. I want to place in this right side, and now I want just duplicate this. You can see if you just click and drag, this text is on the back of this artboard, so we can just click and drag. Okay, I want to duplicate this too. I want to lock this. Now in this group, you can see this group, I want to just click on align in the left side. Okay, press escape. Okay, now I want to just group the button, duplicate the button and place in this new artboard. So press Shift and resize the button, and just double click. I want to just resize these corners for 3 pixels. Press exit. Now this is the second size of these banners. Now I want to make one more size. Just double click on this layer to change the name, and 300 with 100 pixels. So I want to just 300, press tab and switch to another size, and click on the artboard and change the name. Okay, click on OK. I want to place. Okay, so you can see this the third layer have this green color. Okay, every layer has another color, so I want to just duplicate this. Okay, I want to resize and go to a clipping group, go to this margins, and I want to just resize to see the better this these images. Okay, and I want to just position a little. Okay, now I want to just duplicate this in this part of the image. You can see this is, and I want to just place in here. Okay, and press shift to resize. I want to place him in the middle to this banner. Okay, now just press alt or option to duplicate. Okay, press shift and resize this. Okay, that's a little bigger. So this I want to duplicate and move in the right side. So click on, and now and the last will be the button. We can just click in here and change the name. Okay, and press shift and resize this. Now we made three different banners with three different layers, and this was the tutorial for how to create multiple web banners in Adobe Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more graphic design tutorials. Thank you.